no, 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 no. I feel stink. Ooh, that's not good. I ripped it. Hey guys, thank you for clicking on this video. I'm Cupcake Levine, and this is going to be another ear stretching video. And I heard all your guys' comments, to the nicest to the rudest comments. And yes, I know I was using acrylic to stretch my ears. This time I got stainless steel and titanium ear stretching kit from eBay. And so there's 10. It was like, I don't know, 16 or 18. I don't even know. It was like 18 gauge, right? All the way to like, maybe like 22. I don't remember. All the way to 00. I just needed to get a 2 gauge all the way to a 00. And because they are titanium, or maybe titanium plated, they're heavy, they have weights on them. So I was, you know, I think I was like, well, you know, like if you guys know. So I was over 9/16, the one next over to 9/16. And my ear shrunk to a 2 gauge. So I put the 2 gauge, what is this, the titanium tunnels in. A couple of days later, I felt like, dang, I feel like they're gonna fall out. And it had a ton of space. So literally I dead stretch and nothing didn't happen to my ears. It literally just slid through so quick. Right now I feel like there's, I don't know, I feel like I can stretch the next one. Maybe not both, maybe probably like one. But I don't know, like I don't know if you guys can see, but if you can see, there's like room. This one is like one really tight one. I don't know if you guys can see. Is it? I don't know, see, like you can see room, and that's how it was last time. So I'm gonna do a stretch. All right, so let's see if it's gonna fit. I'm gonna clean these and then we will get back. Okay guys, so I took them out. Now I'm just going just a little bit of lube, you know. Okay, so I have it, and let's see if it goes through one of the ears. And I'm not, can I zoom in? I don't know if I can zoom in, but there you go. And oh, let's get a close up. I think it's gonna go in, you guys. Let's see. Don't mind my weird lips. Uh-oh. I don't think so. It's feeling a little bit tight. Yeah. I don't want to like push it. Feels a little bit tight, and I don't want it to like rip. So let's go to the next ear. And let's go. Went through. Like nothing. Yeah, like nothing. I'm all like, is it, did it just fall all the way through? Like, what the fuck? Okay, let's see. Yeah, look. Dude, that shit's crazy. It did fall all the way through. See, I'm telling you guys, like, you guys don't believe me. Like, my ear, was it lacticity? Right? Like, just, is that lacticity or aticity, whatever? Like, that shit, like, stretches like so good. Like, you just seen that shit just fall off. Like, you know, if that shit was super tight, it would not fall out. It would just like fall out the other way, or it would just get red and swollen, and it's not even like red or swollen. So I'm so excited. And where's my, that's my new one. Yeah, so I'm just going to put it in there. Let's see if it's just gonna fit without the tape. It literally, like, literally just nuts right now. It went through without even, wow, without even like putting the freaking taper behind it. Oh wait, that's the wrong, I'm putting the wrong one. Okay. I wish I could have showed you the first time when I got my 2 gauges. Ooh, face on. Oh, come on. Okay. Wow. Love it. That's what it looks like. And these are from, I don't know if you guys can really see, but This one is from eBay. And I'll put the link down below if you guys want to get it as well. Love it so much. But I can't really use the other one, so I don't know if I'm going to just keep it or whatever. But I'm going to try one more time. I'm going to put some more lube, and I'm just going to let it sit and see if it just like slides through. But there was pressure on it, and I don't want to rip my ears because I'm scared to get an infection. And the last time I got an infection, guys, was because I used onyx stone on my ears when it was like, I think it's like 7/8. And I was like 7/8, and that literally, I put it on. 5 minutes later, my whole ear was like from here, not my whole ear, but like all right here was so swollen and red, and it was crusty, and I'm like, what the fuck is going on? So I took it off, and yeah, pretty much. And that was the worst experience the worst experience I ever had. So the reason why I don't have my bigger gauges in my ear, I was sleeping, and like they were like 7/8, I believe. I'll put it, what size are they right here? Where were they? I fell asleep, and they literally slipped through because they're heavy. They were stainless steel, so I started wearing stainless steel, some different types of stone and glass. So the stainless steel ones were like my heaviest ones, and I woke up and they slipped all the way through. So I couldn't find it. I lost ones. I put another pairs in, and when I was cleaning them out, they fell in the toilet. I did not want to like touch them, so I threw them out. Or I lost them at work. I'll literally just be sitting with the clients, talking to them, and they'll just literally just slip out because my ear has so much, like I said, good elasticity, which kind of sucks. Now I can wear regular earrings, but once they get a little bit heavy, they literally, like, my ears stretch really good. And yeah, like as you can see, like I was tripping out right now, like for real. So I'm just going to check again, and yeah, this one's not even like, ooh, no, I feel sting. Ooh, okay, that's going back. I'm not gonna, no, maybe, yeah, maybe I should keep the sting. Hold on. I don't know if it's a good sting or not. No, your ear should not sting. Yeah, I ripped it. Yeah, it's stinging right now, and we're not about that stinging life. Ow. Okay, but it didn't sting that bad. It was like a pinch sting, you know. And one thing, let me just rub my ears together. My ears together. I can't rub my ears together. What the fuck? Rub my ear, not ears. You don't want it to sting at all. Once it stings, that means your shit is ripping up. And yeah, so there ain't no blood up in there, as you can see. Ain't nothing coming out. I didn't bleed my ear off, whatever. Okay, but yeah, so what I'm going to do, and I know you guys are gonna get at me and say you should be doing that, that's wrong, booga booga booga, whatever. I don't know if you guys will say booga booga, but I'm just going to take my is it 2 gauges? My 0 tapers, and I'm just gonna leave them in for, is this even? Let me check. This is a 0 on. Is it a 0? You don't look like a 0, daddy. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna put these zeros on, and I'm gonna leave it on for a while. And because of the weight, remember I was telling you about the weight? And I'm going to just leave it on all day, and I'll get back to you and see if it just, look at, you see, you can definitely tell the difference. This one's fine. I don't see any red at all. This one seems a little bit pink. I don't know if you guys can really tell. Let me try to get that. I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks like it's getting a little bit swollen. Not swollen, but it just looks irritated compared to that one. I love you. But like I said, I'll get back to you, and we'll finish the ear stretching video. If not, then it'll be another day. But there it is. That's how I stretch my ear, to a 0, to a 00, and Can't wait to keep going up. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more ear stretching videos. I know I haven't posted a lot, but if you guys comment, then I will definitely get it done.